Hello everyone, this is Razra from India, and today we are going to talk about Regal Musk from the House of Denver, and this is again from the SRK autograph collection. So I have already posted a review video about Intense Wood as well as the Mystic Ocean. They are one of the fragrances from this line, and I have also posted a video about the introduction video about this line. But today we will focus on this perfume, that is Regal Musk, as you can see. So first talk about its packaging and presentation. You can see the box. It's a nice bottle green colored box with golden color text on it. So it says the Denver logo in the bottom, as well Regal Musk. Then in the mid you can see Sarke logo, Sarke autograph, and this is the Flipkart Big Billion Days, because it is recently discounted on Flipkarts during the Big Billion Days. It was also going on for about 50% discount, and this is the autograph collection. On the top it says Regal Musk SRK, and in the bottom you can see Eau de Parfum concentration, and it is 100 ml box. Right now they only have 100 ml, that is 3.4 fluid ounces. And on the bottom a lot of details all about its notes and everything, and caution, ingredients, marketing, manufacturing, and you can see the MRP. It is priced at 1200 rupees, but it is going on for discounts. I won't suggest you to buy it on MRP, considering it is going on for discounts for about 50%. And this is the batch code, and when you will just open the box, you can see a very nice satin colored cloth, and you can see the perfume sets here, and it gives a kind of very premium packaging for the price. I'm really surprised, I would say, with the packaging, because the packaging is really good for the price. Although I don't like the big boxes, but still it's a very premium packaging. No complaint about packaging and presentation. You can see the bottle. It's a nice bottle with this Denver logo with the autograph collection, and this is Regal Musk in Eau de Parfum, and the cap is really good as well. You can see it's looking very elegant with this textured design on both the sides, and the glass is also very thick, and you can see the juice color, which is somewhat transparent, kind of was yellow pale color, I would say. And this is the design on the cap. The atomizer is also, you can see it's really good. It shoots very decent spray. Now talk about its notes. So in the opening you will get a very nice blood mandarin note with pink pepper as well, and you can really appreciate the pink pepper, but it is not very harsh as we have seen in some perfumes. Especially I have reviewed Mont Blanc Farm Individual, and it has a very harsh pink pepper note in the opening, but this is very much balanced. The pink pepper is, I would say, counteracted by the blood mandarin, and it gives a very nice opening. But the projection is really poor. The projection, it does not project at all. It is kind of a very I would say kind of skin scent right from the opening. The projection, I'm not very much happy with the projection part, because it does not project at all. So as soon as you will wear it, it will become your skin scent, and if you will just try to compensate for the projection by over applying it, again it won't work, because the notes will become very harsh, and it might give you some headache, because the base is very much, it has the depth. So in the opening you will get a very nice blood mandarin and pink pepper kind of note, but it is good, but it does not project at all. And in the mid you will notice musk, especially the white musk, and some woody note as well. And in the bottom it will become a very powdery and some animalic touch with kind of suede note. There is also suede note in it, and you can appreciate that note as well, and it gives a bit animalic touch right at the bottom. So it was all about the notes. The performance is good, I would say, for the price, but you can buy better performing fragrances from the same SRK line Intense Oud was a better performer than this, and also the Mystic Ocean being an aquatic, fresh and clean fragrance, it also has a better performance than this Regal Musk. It does not perform, at least on my skin. I would get around 3 to 4 hours of performance, so it sucks in that part for the performance, and also the projection is not at all there. So there was no projection, there was nothing called sillage in it, and the performance was also not great, but the notes are, I would say, very decent. It has somewhat depth in the notes, it is somewhat complex as well. I like the notes, but obviously due to its performance and projection, I won't suggest it for everyone. As far as the complement factors are concerned, as it does not project at all, so you won't get much compliments, but if you will over apply, you might get some headache. So from my side, I won't recommend you to buy this, especially because you have to blind buy these perfumes. The testers are not available, because Flipkart is the official reseller, and as per the perfume fragrance policy, you just cannot return or exchange it. So once you will buy it, you will have to stick with it. So from my recommendation side, I won't recommend this fragrance because of 3 obvious reasons. Not at all it is projecting, and second thing, the performance is really poor, I would say, because there are better performing fragrances in this line, and also notes are somewhat animalic at the base and not easy to like, not for everyone. It has got mature vibe, it has musky note. If you are a musk fan, if you are a fan of white musk with some suede, which is very synthetic note again, so if you are a fan of that, then you can buy it for the price, because it is very cheap. So you can buy it, but it won't last on you. You have to keep that in mind as well. So this was all about Regal Musk. So if you have any query and question regarding this fragrance, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.